Hello, beautiful people. Happy March 1st. Today is March 1st of 2022. And I'm just really excited because this is literally, I'm a month away. I'm a month away from approaching my 5-year anniversary in regards to my weight loss transformation. So my 5-year weight loss transformation anniversary will be coming up in April 4th, 2022. I started my weight loss journey 5 years ago, back on April 4th of 2017. And it was the best decision I ever made in my life. So it definitely changed my life for the better. So I'm currently in my gym right now. I'm about to do a workout on my treadmill. And before I do my workout, I'm going to drink my Sunrise. I love my Sunrise. It's 22. It's great. It's 22 antioxidants. It's great for your overall quality of life. So here's the Sunrise. And I do take my Sunrise before I complete my workouts. And I'm going to turn this around. So here you can see my treadmill. Okay, so here's my treadmill. Here's my current physique. So here's my current physique. And what I do for my workouts, generally be on the treadmill for about 45 minutes. I start with about a 5-minute warm-up. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Oh yeah, that's my TV. I'm just watching my YouTube channel, Tasha Determined. Tasha Determined, Health, Wellness, and Fitness, Queen of Weight Loss. I'm going to speed up this speed. So put it on here, trying to speed up the speed. And for my speed, I'm going to show you, I get it to about just a 3.5, if you can see. So just do like a nice little brisk walk. So yeah, this is my current physique on the treadmill. So I do a warm up for about 5 minutes, as I stated. And for this workout, I'm going to do a mixture of high intensity, low intensity, just on my treadmill right now. And I was in a room on Clubhouse or Wisdom earlier today, and it was a great room. It was a room about inspiration and affirmations. And I came on stage for about 2 or 3 minutes, and the topic of conversation was weathering the storm. You know, we all have storms in life and challenges and trials and tribulations. And one of mine being my weight loss journey. That was a storm for me, so I had to weather the storm. And what helped me with that was my mindset. Mindset is the most powerful asset, is the most powerful resource that we own. Once I gained control of my mindset, I was able to apply certain aspects to my weight loss journey, such as self-belief equals self-love equals self-discipline. And I'm just really excited that I've been able to take back control of my health. So I stated, our health is our wealth, our body is our temple. And a woman too, after I got off the stage, she came onto the stage. She was really excited, and she stated that she was going to start her fitness journey tomorrow. But after she heard me speak and share information about my weight loss testimony, she decided to start her journey today. And I love that. I love when I'm able to inspire and motivate people, because it's certainly possible. I've stated this on many occasions. If Tasha can lose weight, so can you. Just take that action. Just start. Start now. And as long as you have breath in your body, it's possible to lose weight, and it's possible to keep it up. I'm a perfect example. See my current physique in the mirror on my treadmill. This is my physique. I've been able to keep this for 5 years. If I can do it, you can do it. Just know that it is possible. It all starts with that mindset. It all starts with that mindset, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goal. Hello, LLC. Hello, I'm on a treadmill, doing my 5-minute warm-up right now. I'm about to do a workout on my lunch break. I generally work out in the mornings, but decided to do a noon workout. I'm on my treadmill right now. Here's my current physique. Love my beautiful logo that Tara created for me. Usually watch my YouTube channel, doing my workouts and other content on YouTube. But that's my logo. Hello. So right now I'm doing my warm-up. Hello. How's everyone doing? It's March 1st. I'm excited. March 1st of 2022. And it's literally 1 month away from my weight loss transformation. April 4th of 2022 will be 5 years relating to my weight loss transformation. And I'm just excited because I've been able to keep the weight off for 5 years and get these abs. I can see my abs. You notice a lot of my befores. I had a lot of belly fat. I had a lot of fat everywhere. But This is one of the things that got me started. I did not have a treadmill. I'm currently in my home gym, but back then I did not have a treadmill. I just walked around my apartment complex. At that time, I did live in an apartment complex, and I just slowly increased my fitness. So that's what it's about. Just slowly increasing your fitness. Then you'll eventually get there. Just know that the journey will be worth it. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And it all starts with just taking that action. Taking that action and having accountability. And I did have my sunrise right before I got on the treadmill. So feel free to watch the beginning of this live, because I do love my sunrise. 22 antioxidants. Great ingredients in there. We have kale, ashwagandha, blueberries. And it's great for your overall quality of life. So I want everyone to know, just start now. Start now. Just take action. It's possible. And just take the micro approach to it. See how I'm walking right now? This is literally where I started. Now, I even started at a slower pace than this. So just take your time. Now, if this pace is too fast, you can slow it down. But this is my current pace right now. But this is where it all started for me. By walking outside around my apartment complex. And I'm excited because I'm going to be filming my 5-year documentary. So I'm in the process of doing that right now. It's going to be on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to take you back to where it all began. Literally, I'm going to even have footage of me. I'm going to go back to my apartment complex and let everyone know this is where my journey started for me. An apartment complex, and I'm going to go to Planet Fitness as well, because once I felt comfortable enough to go to the gym, that's where I started, Planet Fitness. So I'm really excited about this upcoming documentary for my 5-year anniversary that's going to be on my YouTube channel. So that's another project I'm working on. So I'm really excited. Yes, the sunrise. Yes, sunrise. 22 superfoods. 120 antioxidants. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. So let me stop this for a minute. So that's my warm-up. So now that my warm-up is done, I'm about to do high intensity. So with that, I can actually hold my camera because I actually be like jogging. So it'd be difficult to hold the camera when you're trying to jog. So that was my 5-minute warm-up. Did it for about 6 minutes, but definitely I just do about a 5-minute warm-up. Then I get right into my high intensity interval training. So I just do this workout for about 45 minutes, and that's what I do for my workout. So yeah, like I said, I love my logo, Tasha the Determined, the Queen of Weight Loss. So I watch my YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, as well as other content on YouTube. So I just want to say thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Until the next video. Kind of hard to talk and walk at the same time. So yeah, just stay tuned, everyone. And I appreciate the love, the support, and encouragement. It means a lot. Take care. Talk to you soon.